you ever wondered who figures out where one property ends and another begins? That's the job of a land surveyor. Surveying is a dynamic career where you get to work outside, use modern tools, and solve problems set forth by landowners. Surveyors help shape neighborhoods, build cities, and protect natural spaces. This experience will show you why surveying matters and how you could be part of this important career. Surveyors often start their day by checking property boundaries. They use metal detectors to find markers buried at property corners. Most people don't even know these markers exist. The detector beeps when it finds the markers, helping surveyors locate exact boundary points. Surveyors also talk to property owners to explain their work and avoid conflicts. This mix of using tools and effective communication are important parts of the job. Surveying isn't just about measuring land, it's also about uncovering the history of property boundaries. These student surveyors study old records, like deeds and maps, to understand how land was divided in the past. These records show how surveying has changed over time and why accuracy is so important. Learning this process helps students and professionals build skills and connect the past to the future of their work. Education is a necessary step into the world of surveying. These students are attending a 2-year college where they will gain the knowledge to earn an entry-level surveying position. They use drafting software to design plans and GPS receivers to find exact locations. They also use machines called robotic total stations, which use lasers to help surveyors map land, mark property lines, and make sure construction projects are built in the right spots. By practicing with this equipment, students gain the confidence and skills they need to succeed in their careers. Back in the field, professional surveyors put their training to work. Did you know that GPS receivers can connect to over 30 satellites orbiting Earth to pinpoint precise locations? Surveyors use this amazing technology along with robotic total stations in almost all of their fieldwork. By combining their tools with their expertise, surveyors collect accurate data to create plans with other professionals, like architects and engineers. The data is used to mark the exact locations of buildings, roads, and utilities. Using a GPS receiver to collect data during a construction stakeout, like you see here, is a common job for a survey technician. Each stake these surveyors place in the ground marks where a road or property line will go. There are dozens of different career paths to pursue in the surveying industry. You can start in Geographic Information Systems, GIS, or as a surveying technician with 2 years of training. With more experience using equipment, computer programs, and extra training, you can work to become a licensed surveyor and pursue a specialty. Back at the school, student construction stakeouts let future surveyors practice in real-world settings. Students use stakes, hammers, and measuring tools to mark spots, just like on a job site. These exercises help them gain confidence, improve their accuracy, and prepare for their future roles in the field. As a surveyor, you're constantly learning about new technologies. For example, drone technology is currently changing how modern surveyors work. They fly over areas to take pictures that are turned into 3D maps of the land. Surveyors plan the drone's path, launch it, and collect hundreds to thousands of clear images. These images are then processed with special software to create detailed maps. Drones aren't just used in surveying. They also help construction crews map sites, farmers monitor crops, and emergency teams find missing people. They also help filmmakers capture aerial footage for movies. Like the robotic total stations we saw earlier, LiDAR, light detection and ranging, uses lasers to scan and map the world with incredible detail, capturing millions of accurate data points in minutes. It can see through forests, scan hard-to-reach areas, and create 3D models for surveys and construction projects. Students must practice with LiDAR to get ready for high-tech jobs in the future of surveying. Here, these students observe a 3D scan of the boiler room that was just captured by LiDAR. Surveying is a career that combines outdoor work, advanced tools, and the chance to make a real difference. Surveyors collect data and create maps of the land to help design neighborhoods, protect natural areas, and guide construction projects. Whether you start as a technician or work toward becoming a licensed professional, surveying offers exciting opportunities to grow and make an impact. If you're ready for a career that blends technology, problem-solving, and adventure, now is the perfect time to chart your course toward becoming a professional surveyor.